In the heart of Southern Africa, food is not just a meal, it is a living memory. Every pot, every grain, every spice carries the story of a people, their survival, and their bond with the land. Today, we travel through all 11 countries of Southern Africa to uncover the roots of their traditional recipes, the ingredients they cherish, and the health they carry for the body. In South Africa, one dish has stood the test of time: bobotie. Minced beef or lamb is slow cooked with onions, curry spices, and raisins, then baked under a golden layer of egg custard. Sweet yet savory, bobotie carries the warmth of family tables. Rich in protein, vitamins, and spice, it strengthens the blood, builds muscle, and energizes the body. We moved down to Namibia. The streets come alive with kopana. Beef, fresh and hot from the fire, is grilled, cut into strips, and served with chili and vinegar. It is food for gatherings, food for friendship. High in protein and iron, kopana fuels the body, supports the heart, and gives strength for long journeys. Botswana tells its story with seswaa. Meat, usually beef or goat, is simmered until tender, then pounded into fibers and eaten with thick maize porridge. It is a humble meal, but rich with meaning. Protein rebuilds the body, while maize gives lasting energy, a combination that carries families through both feast and famine. I arrive Zimbabwe offers seswaa with nyama. Thick maize porridge paired with meat stew and leafy greens. It is not just food, it is balance. Carbohydrates for energy, protein for strength, and vegetables for immunity. A complete meal that nourishes both body and soul. In Lesotho, the mountains give motoho, a fermented sorghum porridge. Sour, hearty, and deeply symbolic. The fermentation adds probiotics, improving digestion, while sorghum provides iron and strength. It is food that heals from the inside. Eswatini shares seswaa, a maize porridge eaten with rich beef stew. It is everyday food, yet sacred. The balance of meat, vegetables, and grain feeds the stomach while giving the body iron, vitamins, and strength to endure. In Angola, Moamba de Golinha stands tall as a national pride. Chicken cooked slowly with palm oil, okra, and spices until it becomes a deep red stew. Palm oil gives vitamin A and E for healthy skin and eyes, okra cleanses the body, and chicken provides lean strength. It is both medicine and tradition in a single pot. Mozambique is known for matapa, made from cassava leaves pounded smooth, cooked with peanuts, coconut milk, garlic, and shrimp. Rich, creamy, and deeply satisfying, it provides protein, omega-3, and antioxidants. A dish that strengthens the mind, bones, and heart. In Malawi, nyama with chambo fish carries the pride of Lake Malawi. Nyama, made from maize flour, is eaten with fried or grilled tilapia and leafy greens. Fish adds omega-3 for heart and brain health, greens add iron for strong blood, and maize gives energy for the day's work. Zambia treasures nshima with ifisoshi, a maize porridge eaten with vegetables cooked in groundnut sauce. The groundnuts provide healthy fats and protein, the vegetables bring vitamins, and together they feed both the body and spirit. It is food of unity, shared in one pot. And in Madagascar, romozova is the dish of the land. A light broth of beef, garlic, ginger, and local grains, always served with rice. The ginger strengthens immunity, the grains cleanse the body, and the meat provides strength. It is a simple dish, but it carries healing in every sip. From South Africa to Madagascar, each meal is more than food. It is survival in times of hardship, celebration in times of joy, and medicine in times of weakness. Southern African recipes teach us that food is not only for the stomach, it is for the soul, the blood, and the memory of a people. That is the root of Southern African traditional recipes. Subscribe to watch the Western African recipes.